Welcome everybody to the third video in the Inventor tutorial series. My name is Mr. Galindo. Thank you for joining me. Today we're going to look at the UI Navigation 2 section of this course. In this situation we're looking at the browser menu, the application menu, and the quick access toolbar. Now to start with, let's have a look at the left hand side of our interface here. We can see we have the ribbon on the top and the browser on the left. The browser is composed of a sequence of features that you've used, be them 2D or 3D features, to create your object. And you always have this browser here, regardless of whatever file type you are using, for example drawings. Now, some of the features, when you hover over them, will display themselves in the 3D workspace and enable you to work out exactly what they created or applied to. For example, the extrusion here, the holes, a revolution, existing holes, so on and so forth. Commonly, a feature, if it's 3D, will have utilized a 2D sketch, and you can see this is viewable under the expansion button of the 3D feature here as the sketch in 2D, and that visualizes it there again in the 3D workspace. If you should ever lose your browser on the left here of the screen, all you need to do is go to the View option of the ribbon. So say you're on 3D model, you'd select View. Now we're interacting with the user interface, so we're going to select this button and reselect browser so it's seen. I'm going to move to the application menu now. That's found under the iPro icon in the top left corner. You can see we've got lots of options, from creating new files, opening existing, saving what we've got open, saving as, new files, exporting our files, for example as a PDF or an image, which is increasingly important when you have drawings, for example. Also there's managing, systems, properties, and printing. For example, we could print our files, if they're a drawing, straight to a printer, or we could even 3D print straight from the program our 3D geometry. You'll see under these options there are always other buttons you can press to open up more options again. Finally, we're going to have a look at the quick access toolbar, and that's this space up the very top above the ribbon. You can see these small icons. These are commonly the most used tools that you will have used in Inventor. For example, the new button, open, save. Especially important are the undo and forward repeat buttons, home, update, selecting the material that you're using. For example, this particular part has this particular material applied to it, so it looks green and metal. You can customize the quick access toolbar by selecting the drop down menu, and for example if we wanted iProperties to be there, we now have the properties button as well.